sucedió.
Back up, bro. I wanna know, where did this side of her went? So, what's up, what's up, what's up? I'm back again to all the Yailin Lamas viral supporters. Okay, so guys, I'm here again to react to an old track by Yailin from last year. So the reason why I'm here again, someone mentioned this comment like a month ago saying I should check out some older songs by Yailin. Well, it is her biggest song on her page, and this is called Solo, right? Features Shadow Blow. So it's my first time checking this one out. It's my first time hearing of it. And the guy that mentioned this comment, bro, respect. I appreciate you so much because, I've been keeping updates with the latest songs. I've been keeping updates with the since recent songs. So it wasn't coming in my mind to check out her older songs. So because of you, my bro, you are here. I know you are here. So thank you so much. And please, if you guys are here with him, watch the entire video. So without further ado, guys, let's react to Yailin Lamas viral 1-year-old song. It's called Solo in Yo. Let's dive in. Peace. I was expecting a fast tempo song, but this music sounds actually good. Like, whoa, whoa, whoa. This sounds actually good, bro. Like, this sounds good for real. Like, for real, for real. Did she really have this slow tempo within her? Like, bro, ain't no way. Ain't no way. This can't be Yailin so calm in this song. Like, she's so calm, bro. She's so calm here, bro. Like, this is something so cute. Hey, I always know this one, right? The first time I've encountered her, couple months back, right? She's always this exotic female, right? She's always dancing with energy, dancing with vibe, being herself. But to see this side of her, bro, that's something literally catchment of water, bro. Like, freaking darn cute, man. She ate this up. She ate this up. Bow, 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 bow. Look up, look up, look up. She scared this one, bro. Like, unexpected. Unexpected. No way, bro. No way, no way, no way. Whoa. Last year, this song dropped and it is sounding so new like it's yesterday. Bro, she looks really, bro. She looks really good here. Like, I can't lie. Every time I saw this woman, bro, she always looks so good. Looking so damn refined, man. Yo, like, just look at her, man. Just look at her. She's just looking so innocent, man. Like, damn, bro. She's naturally beautiful. Like, goes along with her voice, bro. It's all natural, bro. Like, damn. Music, because I'm still in shock at this point. I'm still surprised at this point because I never knew that she have this within her. She's always this hyperactive person. Damn, bro, like, this led me to, like her more because, I've loved her for her activities, right? Her movement, right? But to see this side of her, bro, it leads me to feeling so good around her. Like, yo, She was capable to do this like, all along? I had no idea, man. No idea. No, no, yeah, back up, bro. I want to know where did this side of her went? Did something changes her? Did something literally told her not to use this side again? Because, bro, this side is so nice. Like, it is so nice, man. Like, I'm even crushing on her more, bro. Like, it's a bulldozer, man. Damn, bro. Who is her, man? Who is her? Who is her? Who is her? I'm like, who is this guy? Bro, who is this guy, bro? Like, bro, come on, bro. Bro, who is this guy? Who are these guys in this video? Like, get real, bro. Like, hey, if you rise up rifle pound, you know, I'll rise rifle on you guys. Hey, get real, bro. Like, come on, man. Yelling, come on. You shouldn't be doing this at this point, bro. You're making me like nervous to look at this, bro. My heart can take it anymore. Like, I don't wanna know if you played me. Keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore. My heart can't take it anymore. You should just forget about these guys in your videos and feature me. That in Jamaica you have a guy who really and truly admires your work. I do look up to you to the fact that I'm having a crush on you. Yeah, yeah, like definitely, like for real, for real, for real, for real, like for real, bro. Like, oh wow, damn, like, yo, I'm flattered, bro. I'm flattered. Private dancer. I would love to see her dance differently, bro. Like all her videos, she dance perfectly. But to see her so calm here, standing in a long clothing without showing any form of, bikini, this makes me even loving her more. Like, what the fuck, bro? Come on. I gotta say, wonderful music, Yailin. That music was so awesome. It was good, very good music, and I do love the fact that that style was amazing back then. So I'm wondering what changes there. So if you guys like my reaction, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys that time around. Peace, walk safe, Merry Christmas when it comes, okay?